Skid steers are always way bigger in person.
When you're standing next to it.
Yeah, because like when I see it, I'm like, oh, look at how cute it is. But then I walk up to it, I'm like, oh my God, it's big.
It'd be nice to have one.
Yeah, it would be.
Someday.
Yeah, someday.
Look, you can get a little baby excavator to go with the baby skid steer. Or the really baby, tiny excavators over there.
That one actually looks like really freaking adorable. Ooh, look at these. Look at the tiny little mixer. It's so cute. I wonder how many yards fits in this. Like
2, maybe?
Yeah,
2, 3? I don't know.
that is so freaking adorable.